Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the PENNYMAC mobile app. So let's get started. So to download and install the PENNYMAC mobile app, you have to follow this easy step. So if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you can use a Google search bar or a Google Play Store as well. So here I will just go to my Google search bar and search for the app. As here you can see PENNYMAC app. Okay, so you can see PENNYMAC app mobile. Just click on here at the install, and it will automatically download and install the app on your device. And you can also put a review if you want, and you can see the other reviews too. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.